Everyone, Bilal here. Welcome back to another short Kotlin tutorial. Today we will cover something essential for any Kotlin developer, reserved keywords. Let's get into it. Reserved keywords are special words in Kotlin that the language has already defined for its own functionality. You can't use these words as variable names or identifiers because they are reserved for Kotlin syntax. Let's look at some of the most common keywords you will encounter. First, we are going to talk about fun. So fun is used to declare a function in Kotlin. So let's see this through an example. So I'm declaring a main function, and for that I have to use this reserved keyword. So next I'm going to talk about where and val keywords. So where is used for declaring the mutable variables, and val is used for declaring the immutable variables. So mutable variables are those whose value can be changed, and immutable variables are those whose values can't be changed. So let's see through an example here. And age is 25. Okay, so if I try to change the value here, so it will give me an error. So this is because this is an immutable variable. So next we are going to talk about if else and when. These are control flow keywords. If and else are used for conditional logic, while when is a more powerful version of a switch statement. So let's see them through an example. Okay, let's print something here. And if age is less than 18, I'm going to print minor. Okay, so let's now see the when keyword. So this works as a switch statement in the Kotlin. So if the age is 18, I'm going to print something here. Then else I'm going to print okay. So if, else, and when are the reserved keywords. You cannot use these words as a variable name or the identifiers. So next one I'm going to talk about is the class keyword. Class, one of the main building blocks of the object-oriented programming. So let's see this through an example. So here person is a class, and for that I have to use the class keyword. Okay, so next one we are going to talk about the return keyword. So return keyword is used to exit from a function, and it sends a value back to the caller function. So let's see this through an example here. For example, I have two integer values. Okay, and I'm going to return the sum of these two values. Okay, we have to. Okay, so this will return the sum of these two values and exit from this function. So the question arises, what happens if you use the reserved keyword? So if you try to use a reserved keyword as a variable or function name, you will get an error. For example, trying to name a variable fun or class will cause Kotlin to get confused. So let's see this through an example here. For example, if I declare a variable with fun name, okay, so this will give me an error. So it will not allow me to use fun keyword as a variable name. That's it for today. Understanding reserved keywords will save you a lot of headaches while coding in Kotlin. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Kotlin tutorials. So see you in the next one.